All right, so this video is kind of our introduction to exploring Canvas and getting started. So you can see here that I'm at a fresh tab. I'm signed into my account right now, and I'm just going to go through the process from the beginning. So in order to get to Canvas, you obviously could type it in the top bar there, but you can also get to it through your menu and or AKA the waffle. So I'll go through my Google Apps here, and I'll see that going to Canvas is one of my ones down there. So I'll click that link, and that'll take me uh, to our website. And you can see as it signs me in, I'm signed in here. I have 6 courses that are published. And so as a homepage here, these are the courses that are published, as in the people they interact with can see them. They're available. They are published as in. So you can see my first class here is PLTW, Computer Science Innovators Makers. So that's published as in my students can see everything that is on that course. It's available for them, just like this professional learning course is available to all the teachers that are enrolled in it as well. So that's my published course on my homepage here. You can see that to do is in this top right corner here. This will be populated once you start assigning different assignments and you have different things to grade. So you can see this is a list of things I could have graded in Canvas in my top right corner here that keeps up with you. I can scroll down a little farther here and you can see that I have upcoming, so things that are going to be due soon that are available, and I can view the calendar, and that will be a later video for us to explore here, but just know we have the coming up function. And then what's going to be noticeable to all of you all also is that I have 10 unpublished courses. So these are courses that I could publish within Canvas. They would go to my other classes, but they're not currently published because I haven't finished building them out on my end, and I don't want them to be available to the students just yet. So you can see my different courses are laid out down here. So as I go through all of the different features of this of my Canvas account, you can see that I have my dashboards where we're starting. We can actually start at different places as well. Now, as I go to look through my other menu options on the left bar, that'll be the rest of this video as we'll work through. So I can start up the top. I have some admin permissions. I probably won't have that on your end, but you can see above that, I can just click my account general information here. It shows me this page. And this allows you to pick a couple options you might want to use for yourself. One, you get to choose your notification settings. This is really important depending on how much you want coming to your work email, right? So you can see things like you've got your set for your account here, and you can set it up for you can change the notifications for different classes. It looks like depending on which one. So if you have one class you want more information about than others in terms of notifications, you can change that there. So you've got some different course activities, right? So that you can change different email conditions around that. Yep. You can change information around discussions, conversations, scheduling, groups, conferences, alerts, right? So these are all things you have options for around your notification settings. You can set up your profile. If you want your students to be able to see kind of an about you and different information you want to link for them, you can choose a picture, all that good stuff. So that's there for you as well, as opposed to creating a separate Canvas page on each of your Canvas classes that has about you information. This is another way to do it. Files is what it sounds like. It's where files you upload go to. They could go for your classes or either from Canvas courses you're in or from Canvas courses that you're hosting, of course, right? So that's that piece there. You have portfolios, shared content, the QR for the mobile login, and then global announcements, right? So that's all of that piece. We went through the dashboard. You can also see if you click on here, the courses. This will let you get to your different courses quickly, both your unpublished and your published. I don't think this if you click all courses, it'll also let you get to your archived classes, which can be useful for getting to posts you'd used in prior years if you'd like to reuse posts or use them as a basis for what you're working on building out with your class at the moment. Okay, so that's courses. Underneath that is calendar. This could be very useful to you depending on what kind of workflow you enjoy. So you can see this is a visual of my calendar right now without any of the assignments I have going on or any of the tasks going on within my Canvas courses. If I scroll down to the bottom and find one of the classes I'm offering, so for example, my elective class that I'm working on here, PLTW for Computer Science Innovators and Makers, once I click that, you can see the different due dates for different assignments show up here. So you can see I had the starters assignments due on Thursday of that week. You can see the students last Friday had a couple of assignments due, and then you can see they have an assignment due for today as well. So that's the utility of calendar. Nice way to visualize all of the things you have going on. Underneath calendar's inbox, that just functions like your email on Canvas specific. You can set this up so that you get a notification in your personal email when you get an email on Canvas and then answer it there. That's not much for me to show you in there. History, right, just lets you see where you've been or what you've been clicking around on recently. Commons, this is really important if you like to collaborate with other folks or you're looking to get ideas. So I'll go ahead and click the link here. And this takes me to the Canvas Commons. And this is where I can look for different things that have been created by other teachers or educators in Canvas, and I can filter for them in different things. You can see I have the Dublin Unified School District filter on right now, and so that allows me to scroll down and see different things that have been created by folks. With that, I could also remove that, and that would give me the general open wide web of different things that have been created. So, for example, I can see different ones that have been created by Canvas itself or Instructure. Like I've got some ones from Apple Education, and I could filter lots of ways. There'll be more on Commons in a later video, but this is definitely a page to explore if you're looking for ideas. And then the last thing in our menu is Help, which is a great resource to use if you're looking for guides or other things that I haven't covered in this video, and that you don't find me covering for you in later videos. So that is logging into Canvas and getting through all your base menus. Yeah, and that's a good place to start. Thank you.